Hello guys, welcome to Megabyte. I'm Freddy and today we're gonna talk about what I pack for Dreamhack, what you need to bring with you to Dreamhack, um, at least in what I think. So Dreamhack is kind of a big deal. It used to be 4 days, now it's 3, but it's still, the principle is still the same. You need to pack to survive, and you need to pack for other people to survive as well, because it's usually extremely hot in there, hard to sleep, hard to hear, hard to talk, hard to everything, but it's worth it because it's awesome. But my list, I'm gonna post the list down below. It's gonna take a while because I need to get on the computer and edit the list, but it will come. But so we're gonna start with some of the basic things that you need to bring yourself with yourself, like a pillow to sleep on. You need something for your head, and a blanket or a divine, some sort of cover for your when you a sleeping bag maybe when you sleep, and a pillow. That's kind of good deal. Sorry. Uh, just gonna mute that. So what else you need? A toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, towel, of course, to dry off, because there is a bathing house just next door to Dreamhack, which you can use to shower and bathe, to keep clean. And you need deodorant, because man, it stinks in there. It's awful actually, but you get numb by the first day, so that's kind of good. Some aspirin for your head. It's loud in there. You might need some painkillers for your head. Which brings us to the next point. Earbuds, something to cancel out the noise. You can buy some really good ones where you don't lose. You can still hear as well. You just take away some of the bass tones and the treble tones, so not not so intrusive to your ears. When you drive up, you're gonna need some nice clothes, because it's usually, most people don't live in or in Jönköping, so they have to drive a bit to feel rested and good when you get up. Maybe some jogging pants or something like that for the trip. And when you're gaming, it's always nice to be comfortable when you play. You're gonna perform the best that way. And for me, I always bring some nice looking clothes for the events and the music, the festival. I like to dress up. I mean, I like to look somewhat presentable. I always bring one bottle which I can have water in, because as I said, it's getting really hot in there. But I usually bring I don't know, a carton of drinks like Coca-Cola or energy drink or whatever. For me, one carton is kind of enough. 24 drinks usually covers it. In worst case, I can go by. So when it comes to the computer, you of course need your gaming gear. So if it's a PC, you need your mice and your keyboard and your screen, and I would prefer extra keyboard and extra mouse in case it breaks. You never know, it could happen, it can happen, it has happened to people, so that's a good thing to have. You need a network cable that's about 10 meters long, so if you don't have one, go buy one because you need it. Playing on the Wi-Fi is not a good idea because the Wi-Fi is very unstable. Even though they have Wi-Fi in the entire area of Elmia, it's not good. It's very unstable. But yeah, screwdriver, you never know when you're gonna need it. It's a good thing to have. And some cable ties, always a good thing to have with you. make your desk look a bit cleaner, strip all the, or not strip, tie all the cables together to your gear so, well, it doesn't hang down below the desk and you get tangled in when you're tired or stuff like that. So that's a good thing. Duct tape, another good thing to have. Tape down what you can't tie down. And what else? You need a charger for your phone or your tablet or your laptop or your iPad or your GameCube. No, not GameCube. Switch. Whatever game console thingy you have, charger. You're gonna use it. You're gonna need it. Flashlight, always a good thing. Most phones have it, but you want to save the power on your phone. Well, I do at least. I try to use the phone for things that I can't use other things for, if you understand. Yeah, well. I bring a safety lock for my PC and gear. It's a thin cord of metal cord with a lock on it, which I take through all my parts, the screen, the chassis, the Xbox when I take that, the PlayStation when I take that. Everything I can tie down, I do, because people steal other people's things. They're douches like that. I always bring an extra outlet with multiple sockets, extension cord with multiple sockets on it, because you never know. If you're like me, you have PC, phones, and gaming console perhaps, that's not gonna be enough sockets for you that Dreamhack offers you. And one thing, the last thing to bring, which I can think of right now, is the most important thing, actually. A pillow to sit on. I don't bring a gaming chair, I don't bring an office chair, I don't bring a chair at all, because it takes too much room in the car that I need for, well, fun things I like to have with me. So a really good sitting cushion, pillow, or whatever you can get your hands on that makes these chairs that Dreamhack have not so ass breaking. So that's about it, what I bring that I can think of right now anyways. I'm gonna bring some business cards and stuff like that as well, but you can do it. If you got any tech you want to sell, try it. You can always store it in your car and put it out for sale on the Dreamhack sales page on Facebook. Lots of people do that. So, and yeah. So, and if you wanna, I mean, Dreamhack is a special place for us gamers, nerds. You can be yourself. So if you wanna express yourself, do it. Bring a horse head, bring I don't know, dresses, bring whatever you like. Dress up like you feel good in. And if you want to try something new for you, well, do it. Nobody's gonna judge you, or some gonna judge you, but fuck them. There's a lot of people on Dreamhack that don't really care. Most of us don't care, and most of us enjoy people just trying to be themselves and having a good time, and making Dreamhack a special place for all us gamers and all us nerds. And yeah, that's about it for me. I'm gonna continue working on the PC. You can see the front panel right behind me here, painted and done. Hopefully it's gonna look good. Hopefully. So yeah, I'll see you on Dreamhack. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit me up in the comments, and let me know where you sit. I'll come and say hi to you. And you can come and say hi to me, because I'm in C somewhere, the streamer area. I'm not going to be sitting in the streamer little thingy, but in that hall. I'll post my location somewhere. Twitter, Facebook, Insta, I don't know, all of them, and YouTube. So yeah, I'll see you later. I'll see you tomorrow when I'm posting a new video about the build, about Dreamhack, and about my prepping, because I got lots to do before Dreamhack, so that's not going to be a problem. I'll see you and have fun.